Hey guys, this is HP Officejet 8015. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to your laptop using a USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging. First of all, this printer is currently connected to Wi-Fi network. I want us to disconnect it. So select the Wi-Fi icon, go to Wi-Fi settings, then switch off the wireless. Wireless is turning off. Wireless is off. You will no longer see a Wi-Fi light here. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to connect this printer to the laptop using USB cables. So go to the back of the printer and connect the USB cable to the USB port, and it's in. Then take this part of the cable and connect it to your laptop. Connect it to the laptop. And it's in. You will hear a noise to show you that it's recognizing the laptop. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to the laptop settings. Select settings, your laptop. Select printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device. So now it's going to search for available device. So it's now searching for available device. So you have option HP Officejet Direct and also HP Officejet 8010 series. This is the printer here. Select on it and it's showing us idle print test page. Now it's printing. You have correctly installed your HP Officejet 1010 series to the laptop and data USB 003 raw. This is how to connect this printer with USB cable and print a test page. It will also show you the laptop name, HP Officejet 8010 series. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you. I'm happy with this printer and it deserves your attention. Thank you.